Every now and then you might find that your digestive system gets kind of out of whack and things are not just right and maybe depleted of the essential vitamins and nutrients and minerals. You feel like you need to do some kind of a reset. Well, because I was raised right, I know exactly what to do. I find the old scrapbook of childhood recipes and all the other recipes we've accumulated over the years, and I turn to the page where we find the recipe for Wiener Casserole. Wiener Casserole. One of the best reset meals there is. Let's get into it. We start by cooking the egg noodles. The water's already boiling. I'm gonna keep the fan off for now. And oh, it's not quite boiling. I gotta fuel up here. This is an intense moment. We need fuel. Egg noodles. German egg noodles. I don't know. It says to cook a package of them. Like quite a few in there. It's actually a little more than I think we usually use, but should do the job. While that's cooking, you can start preparing the heart of the recipe, which is the special sauce that goes in and around everything. We'll cut up the wieners in a little bit here. Basically, we got to get some mayonnaise and mustard and brown sugar, and then we mix the chopped up wieners inside of that. So we're looking at 3/4 cup mayonnaise. We have boil over. Maybe I will turn the fan on. Yeah, everybody knew that was going to happen. 3/4 cup mayonnaise. Growing up, we just used Miracle Whip. I've since discovered that that's not real mayonnaise. I use good old Hellmann's. It's the best. Oh, looks like it wants to boil over again. These noodles are supposed to cook for 5 minutes, this batch anyway. So we got the mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons prepared mustard. A couple tablespoons of this. About right. And then we need 1 cup of brown sugar. We don't use a lot of sugar or brown sugar in this house, so the stuff we have gets fairly hard. And probably a cup in there. I noticed on the recipe somebody has penciled in to use less brown sugar. I know who did that, and I'm not going to pay attention. In fact, cup, give or take, I don't know. I gotta mix this up, but the brown sugar's kind of clumpy. Oh, these noodles are probably getting close. Not quite. We could have a problem. Maybe the mayonnaise and mustard will soften up the brown sugar while we take care of these noodles here. Not there yet. I think it's getting softer. Wieners. Gotta resist the temptation to buy premium, expensive, really meaty wieners. It wrecks the recipe. Get the cheapest ones you can find. Oh. I prefer to have all this mixed up before I dump the wieners in, otherwise things could get uglier. Gonna call her good with the noodles. Give them a little drain. All right, better turn this off. That'd be bad. Brown sugar is almost melted. I guess I should be preheating the oven here. Where are we at? 350. Get that going. All right, I just gotta finish mixing up the sauce here. And we're pretty much ready to go. Oh, I'm supposed to add butter to the noodles. Totally forgot about that. Do that in here. Okay, what do I need? I need 3/4 cup margarine or butter. We usually use butter here, but I just thought margarine would be easier. Plus, that's more the way it was made in the glory days back in the 70s. Child-proof margarine container. Okay, 3/4 cup, eh? Let that melt while I work on the brown sugar. I'm gonna call her good. There's still some lumps of brown sugar in there, but you know, if you get a sweet spot, who really cares? Oh yeah, you know you want it. Better double check the recipe, make sure I've done everything here. Okay, cook the noodles, wieners, noodles, margarine, Parmesan cheese. I need Parmesan cheese in there. That was a close call. That was close, it would have been nothing like it. I think you have more noodles than usual. I'm gonna add a little more cheese. You can't never have too much cheese. Now the magic. And you bake it covered for a half hour at 350. Take the lid off for 15 minutes, uncover it, get the wieners all nice and bubbly. Then you're good to go. It says serve with lettuce salad, just evidence that this is a healthy meal. And it typically serves two. There's the buzzer, it's good to go. 30 minutes at 350, 15 minutes with the lid off, and you're gonna see just how amazing this is. Okay, we're less than a minute out from the 30-minute mark where we get to open the oven and take off the lid and then bake for another 15 minutes. I'm not gonna actually let you see it yet. You're gonna be in suspense for another 15 minutes, but then we will see what this masterpiece looks like when it's done. "15 seconds till the buzzer goes off. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. clarified. 15 minutes to go, and then we're ready to reveal the Wiener Casserole. Well, we're just 2 minutes out from the completion of the Wiener Casserole. I can hardly wait. You know, some moments in life are so special you don't want to miss them. Birth of a child, once in a lifetime, astronomical events, resignation of things like that. So I just want to make sure that this moment is captured for all posterity. Here we go. All right, less than a minute out. Now, my concern is that because you're watching this on video, by the time you see this, this particular Wiener casserole will no longer exist. 15 seconds out, I better fire up the machine here. We are recording. Just a few seconds out. I can't see. Ho, ho, ho. Oops. Don't want that juice to fall out. There you go. Wiener casserole. Hi, my name's Roger Duck, but I like Wiener Casserole.